Hey, hi, hello everybody. Welcome to the PokéChurch, a place where all are welcome. My name is Marshall, the Poké Pastor, and I have the lovely Poké Wife here joining us for our video today. So it's a little bit of a setup. You can see this camera, and if you're seeing the card cam, there's a little bit more of a zoom out. But that's because Poké Wife, Chelsea, and I are going to be doing pack battles. We will be pack battling with the Darkness Ablaze build and battle boxes. And then I've got some Ultra Prism packs. So the name of the game is you automatically win if you pull the Charizard VMAX. But the only thing that could beat the Charizard VMAX is if you pull the Rainbow Rare Leafeon out of the Ultra Prism. That trumps everything because you know worth is in the eye of the individual, not necessarily what it sells for on the internet. So I just want to give you the option first. Do you want to change stacks? Anything? Is there anything you want to swap up?
No, I'm good.
Okay, so she's sticking with what she was given. So we're gonna start off with the Darkness Ablaze build and battle boxes. So if you've been watching on my TikTok and if you watched last week's video, you've realized that Darkness Ablaze has been very good to us here at the PokéChurch. We've been pulling rainbow rares and gold cards left and right. So first, we're gonna show everybody. I got a Hydreigon, who'd you get? Ooh, we doubled up on both from last week, but that's okay. Real quick, open this pack, because there's a code card we gotta give the people. Be nice, only take a couple. Leave some for everybody else. There you go. And then you just put that off to the side. So, of course, the Darkness Ablaze build and battle boxes, which we were able to get at Docs Comics and Games, link in the description below, gave us a whole bunch of them. We were able to get a whole bunch of them. And it comes with 4 packs and a little announcement sheet and that like pre-build deck type thing. So, Chelsea, would you like to go first or would you like me to go first?
Losers go first.
So...
So you go first.
Okay. Leave in the comments who do you think is going to win today's pack battle. We're going to start off Eternatus VMAX. Uh-oh. We don't like green codes here. 3 to the front. And another 3 to the front. And we're starting off with the Yellhorn, Ursaring, Poltergeist, Sentret, Larvesta, Morlul, Toxel, Skitty, Dark Energy, Reverse Hollow is a Familiar Bell, and our rare is a Serena. See if you can beat that. No, Darkness Ablaze first. That's a Centiskorch VMAX.
This is a Centiskorch VMAX. I have multiple Centiskorch VMAX. Art to open.
Maybe.
You make it look so easy.
You were doing good on when we did our practice ones. So you also have seen on the TikTok a couple videos of us practicing. They're in fast mode because they needed to be. But you can hear it say, "It's cute," multiple times. And you can also hear our pets. Yes, give them the code card. Okay.
1, 2, 3. I think that was 3.
Yeah.
1, 2. This one goes
Yep.
there. Okay. Okay. Ready to lose?
Sure.
Okay. Gothorita.
Move it over this way. If you need to wrap this arm around the camera, that's okay.
Pokemon Breeders Nurturing.
We've pulled 2 rainbows of that.
Combuskin. Meltan. Ooh. Bunnelby.
Trippy
Bunnelby. Paris. Larvitar. Oops. Uh-oh. Golett. Energy. Ooh, shiny. Reverse Hollow Font. Oh my god, it's so cute. And a Galarian Darmanitan.
Nice. Okay. Moving in to pack number 2. It is a Centiskorch for me this go round. Let's see if we can't pull something good. And we got a Glimwood Tangle, a Lairon, Simipour, Dunsparce, Klink, Morini, Torchic, Starly, Energy, a reverse holo Vibrava, and our rare is a Melmetal. You're up. See if you can beat. All we've gotten so far is 2 regular rares. 2 regular rares.
This is a
Charizard VMAX.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's I've heard of that.
Yeah, that's the good card.
Charizard VMAX. Oops.
You can see a little. You can see a little bit. Ooh, ooh. Is she gonna?
Oh, I got the
pretty
green
well?
and white.
Yeah, the green and white codes.
Ooh. Over here.
Make sure you're on that side of Eevee.
2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm gonna go faster this time.
Okay.
Okay. Billowing Smoke Trainer card. Heat Energy. Rally Camp, you look sad.
Holocampus.
Another Paris. Larvitar. Golett. Phoebus.
Lonely in the ocean.
Hurtloin.
Sassy cat.
Fire Energy. Ooh, another.
Copperjaw.
Yeah,
That's the evolution of the Koofons.
Yeah.
So you got an evolution line in your reverse holos. What's your rare?
And then my rare is.
a Darkrai.
Ooh, a
Darkrai
holo.
holo. Okay, so we gotta beat a holo. Can we beat a holo with another Eternatus pack?
Nope.
Nice.
Actually, no.
That's pretty confident.
I hope you do.
Code card for all you people. And we got a rare fossil, Furret, Flaffy, Teddiursa, and Pogo. I always think is shiny just because it's such a bright brown, but it's not. It's never the shiny. Pansear, Morlul, Wishy Washy, Koufant, a Electric Energy, a reverse Wigglytuff, and our rare is a Charizard V. Woo! Woo! So I'm gonna say I'm ahead a little bit.
I don't
I'm
know.
gonna say I'm a little
Here
bit ahead.
comes the Leafeon.
And by the way, of course, I'm always irresponsible. My sleeves are in the next room.
Here's another fire ant thing.
Centiskorch. A fire ant thing.
Lots of legs.
Lots of legs. Ants have 6 legs.
Senta.
Yeah. And then it's not an ant. Move your hands over.
I am. Okay. Pierce. A powerful energy.
Strong.
Toxapex. Diglett. Squilvet.
Fat squirrel.
Shelmet. Panpour. Teddiursa. Green energy.
We like the grass energies.
Grass energy. Ooh. Ooh, a Tapu Koko.
Nice.
Reverse holo. And my rare is another Golurk.
Another.
This is a normal one.
Yeah, it's just a regular rare Golurk. Boring. All right. Getting into my last pack from Darkness Ablaze. Grimmsnarl. Let's see if we can't. We can't. And on a high note.
With the green and white.
Thanks for. Yeah, no, it's just a green.
Oh.
Just a
Sorry.
regular old green. So we got a Zuelis, a Pupitar, Pokemon Breeders Nurturing, Diglett, Squovit, Shelmet, Panpour, Teddiursa, Fighting Energy, Reverse Holo is a Snubbull, and my last rare is a Flygon.
Okay.
Let's do your last Darkness Ablaze pack.
Tell me it again.
That's a Centiskorch.
Centiskorch, that's right. Centiskorch.
See if she can beat the Charizard V. The only thing that can beat the Charizard V is the V Max. Do you think she got the V Max?
I think you're being pretty rude.
What's the name of the game, babe?
I mean, it's really all going to you. It doesn't matter.
Sure, I bought all these. They're mine. She just gets to open some.
Vibrava, Simisear, Lunatone, Shelmet, Panpour, Teddiursa, Rookity, oh, Torchic,
Dark Energy.
Dark Energy. My reverse holo is a Volcarona.
Oh.
And my rare is...
Beartick.
No, that's all.
Speaking of Leafeons, it's time to get into the Ultra Prisms. Would you like to go first on the Ultra Prisms? Since I definitely won with the building battles.
Okay, this is a pointy head guy art.
I'm gonna be honest, I don't know who that guy is.
Pointy head guy,
A lot of the
arms,
hands. Ultra Prism guys, I don't really know who it is other than Leafeon.
Pointy. This person. Okay. Oops. Oh shoot. Sorry.
Triggered.
Okay.
So let me know in the comments, who do you think is going to win the Ultra Prism battle side of this video? Do you think it's going to be Chelsea or Marshall, the PokéChurch?
Manaphy, Brattle, Yanmanga, Lickitung, Buweasel, that's really cute. Eevee.
We all know who Eevee is.
Salandit, Turtwig,
What are you drawing at?
Leaf Energy,
Don't bark.
and my reverse holo is a Gleameow. That's cute. And then the rare, Shinotic.
Sure.
Shinotic.
All right, now it's my turn to get in to my first Ultra Prism pack. And I am hoping for that Rainbow Rare Leafeon because I just like Leafeon. Leafeon is the best. And I like the Rainbow. That's the only one I don't have of my Leafeons from Ultra Prism. And I really want it. Unit Energy. Got the unit.
Cool.
Honchkrow. Luxio. Alolan Vulpix. Such a pretty card. Such a weird looking card. Bronzor. Dewpider. Yes, you can be pretty and weird looking at the same time. You are all pretty in every way. Piplup is our reverse holo, and our rare is an Alolan Sandslash. Are you going to do that with the dog in your hand? That was Ash making his debut in YouTube as well.
No, wait, I want to do this one.
Yeah, save Leafy Boy for
The other pointy guy.
The other pointy guy. Let us know in the comments who is on these pack arts. I know who Leafeon is.
Okay, green and white.
Oh, green and white. That's going to be our Rainbow Leafeon, and she's going to take it. She's going to win it.
It's good.
She's going to win it.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Order pad. Drifblim. Mars. Roselia. Chimchar.
Got them Fire Monkey.
Pachirisu. Snuggly Generator. Skorupi. Young Goose. Ooh. Fighting Energy. Oranguru. It's like an orangutan. But not.
But not.
It's different.
It's like an orangutan, but it's also not an orangutan.
Okay, and then my rare. Oh,
that's shiny.
Oh, peeking,
That's shiny.
Peeking is
That's
a full
shiny.
art. A full art.
Oh, Dialga GX. That's one of the legendaries. Not a full art, but it's an ultra rare.
What's the full thing?
No, it's an
It's
ultra
not a
rare.
square.
It's an ultra rare.
Whatever.
It was good. That was a good pull, though.
Thank you. Look at that.
So, let us know in the comments, is Charizard V or Dialga GX of more value? who wins based off of those two. This one I know is Giratina because I've caught it in Pokemon Go. Get away. Code. Let's do this. Escape board. Mount Coronet. Rotom. Chimchar. That's a different Chimchar than the one you had. Stunky. Yungoos. Magmar. Looking sassy on his break from work. Alolan Diglett, which Alolan Dugtrio looks goofy. We've got an Electric Energy, Reverse Hollow, Bastiodon, and a rare is a fanboy. Or fangirl. We don't know. We don't know. It doesn't say.
Fan thing.
Can a fan even have a sex? I don't know.
Or gender.
Or gender.
Okay, and this is a Leafeon art.
That one we know.
We do. Sun and Moon Ultra Prism. I watched you, so now I know how to open it.
Yeah, you do.
Well, I like that.
You thought you did. Gotta clear your throat for this amazing pull that's about to happen. Okay.
Missing Clover.
You should find it.
Prin Pluck.
Dabbin? Dabbin Penguin.
Gardenia. Dewpider?
Mm-hmm.
That's
Ew.
gross.
Creepy.
Gibble.
Gibble.
That's 1B.
Maybe it's Gibble.
Skorupi. Lickitung. Chimchar. Water Energy. And my reverse hollow is a cute little Cranidos. Oh my god, how cute.
Little dinosaur boy.
Okay. Boop, 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 boop. And my rare.
Roserade.
Darn. I
Roserade's
wanted
cool.
to get the Leafeon for you.
I know, I won. That's because in this pack right here, it's because the Leafeon's right here. Leave a like to send me the luck for the Leafeon in this pack right here. If I can remember what my hands are doing. You hyping me up?
I'm cheerleading.
Thank you. Cherim, Gumshoos, Ancient Crystal, Salandit, Executes, Yanma, Drifloon, Weasel, a Leaf Energy, Reverse Hollow is an Alolan Sandslash, and our last rare is... Let's see what it is anyway. A toaster. So, let's compare the rares from each of our sets. What did you get, Chelsea?
A Roserade.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, save your best for last. Galarian Darmanitan.
Oh, what is the shiny one?
That's the reverse shiny one. Beartic. That's the reverse shiny, but yes. A Hollow Darkrai. And the Dialga GX. And then me, the Pokepaster. My cards are the Heat Rotom, the Fan Rotom, Alolan Sandslash, the Flygon, and I think I have the Charizard next. So, Serena, a Melmetal, a Flygon, and the Charizard V for my big one. But I have to say, technically, Chelsea, I think she won. Because she got a Hollow Darkrai and a GX. I only got a V. Yes, it's the Charizard V, but only one. So Chelsea, you are the winner.
What do I win?
You win dessert.
From Weirdo.
I don't know. Let us know in the comments where we should go have dessert.
Twinning.
Yeah, this wasn't planned. But with all that being said, thank you everybody for joining us here at the PokéChurch. My name is Marshall, the PokéPastor, and this is Chelsea, the PokéWife, and this is Ash, the PokéPuppy, and somewhere we have Reptar, King of the Ozone. So Leave a like if you enjoyed today's video, and make sure you hit subscribe and click that notification bell so you can get notifications every time we get posted. Let me know in the comments, should I include Chelsea in more videos? Maybe, maybe not. Let us know. Let me know what you want to do. Remember, I am glad that you are here, and remember that you are loved. Peace out. Whoosh.